Okay, Kenneth, let's take a look. So, task 1, conducted a survey of 8 people and give information on the demographic data. Great job with that. Saved each survey result as pages 1 through 8 of your project's appendices. That was not done. So that's a negative 15 points in that area. So just make sure that you're looking and using this rubric as your checklist before you submit. Okay? It's just so if you overlook something, you can catch it. Task 2. 5 to 7 slide PowerPoint presentation explaining a minimum of 5 and making sure that you apply the textbook as you describe your 5 sales promotion ideas. This means justification or in-text citation from the text. Okay. So you've started out with the advertising slide. Moving forward, make sure you have some type of heading or introductory slide. Since this will be a part of your final presentation, you want to make sure that you do have an opening for each piece of it. Okay, so advertising, there are no in-text citations on here on this particular slide. Direct marketing. You basically talked about direct marketing. You have not pulled in or made a connection with the target market yet, or you're just bringing in your survey data and making the connection between these promotional tasks and why you think it would be effective. I also don't see any in-text citation yet. Okay, so here again, you're explaining what the sales promotion is, what a sales promotion is. Still no connection with the target market and no in-text citation from research or the textbook. Visual merchandising. So what you've done here again is that you're giving us definitions, which is great for introduction, maybe one blueprint just to set the tone. But you also have to have detail explaining why this will be effective for your target market. What was shared through your surveys that lets you know that this type of promotional activity will be effective. And giving in-text citation from your textbook at some point during the presentation. Fashion show event. Okay. So you've explained this again. This is a nice slide. New type of look. Oh, and that's the last one. So there's no conclusion either, no reference list or anything like that, and there are no in-text citations. So visually, this looks great. But format-wise, a lot of work is needed. Format, again, heading, in-text citation, detail, and a reference list. These things are needed, as well as your surveys were supposed to be your appendix for this project. So just work on that moving forward. And again, make sure you use your rubric as the guide. I have put bold print words, bold print letters on the areas where sometimes people overlook them, just to make sure that you guys see them. So make sure that when you see the list, the rubric, and when you see the bold print, that you're checking and making sure that you meet those requirements. And you will always have an assignment tips post at the beginning of the thread, and both of these will be there at the beginning of the week. So you can take a look at these before you even start your week's assignment. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.